Hello again, guys. Pompey Picker back again. So this is my entry into Chris Capoon's 400 sub giveaway. What he's asked us to do is to pick a 6-pin lock in under 5 minutes and obviously gut it. So this is the lock that I shall be attempting to pick in 5 minutes. It's a Sterling Euro cylinder. That's the bitting of the key. It's not brilliant. But yeah, one of the rules is it has to have security pins in the lock. I know there are security pins in this one because I have picked it before. So anyway, excuse me. What we're going to go in with is a Lore-Lock Tools tension bar and Peterson hook one in 25 thousandths. So here goes. I'm going to go all the way to the back. Very light tension. Click on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And click on 5, 4, 3, 2 springy, 1 springy. Something's holding us up somewhere. Slight bit of movement on the core there, and there we go, open. So I'm going to leave that like that for a moment, and let's see what we've got inside. So right, let's just move you down there. Okay. Now comes the interesting bit. Okay. Well, that was easier than expected. So let's just get rid of that. And where is my pinning shoe, which is there? So what we shall do is spin that round to there. Pinning shoe in. Over all the pins. And let's just hook that out. So, what do we have? Oh no. What do we have? So in one we have some anti-drill pins and a standard, 2 standard, 3 is a standard, 4 is standard, 5 is standard, and 6 is a standard pin. So what have we got up top? Tweezers. So in number 5, we have a long standard pin. Number 4, sorry, that's number 6, should I say? Number 5. We have a spool. Spool pin in 5. Number 4. We have another spool. Right. And number 3. So we've got a few springs popped out there. And we have another spool in 3. And 2. That's right, we've lost 2 and 1 together, so they're just the standard pins. So yeah, there we go. That's my entry into Chris Capoon's 400 sub giveaway. We have 3 security pins inside the Sterling Euro cylinder. Right. That's about it for me today, guys. Stay safe, and thanks for see you again soon. Bye.